Hi guys, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to reset accessibility settings on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In Settings, scroll down and go to General Management. Here in General Management, okay, you can see below the Reset. Okay, tap the Reset. Here in Reset, okay, you can see the Reset Accessibility Settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap this. And okay, Reset Accessibility Settings. Your accessibility settings will be reset to their default settings. Related settings such as keyboard and font size won't be reset. Accessibility setting and downloaded apps won't be changed. Your personal data won't be affected. And okay guys, to reset the accessibility settings, okay, you'll have to do is tap the reset settings button. And okay, all accessibility settings will be reset. This can't be undone. And okay, tap the reset button. And okay guys, accessibility setting reset. And okay, that's it. Okay, we have successfully reset the accessibility settings on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.